Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java puzzles, let us go with one more new puzzle in this video. Here we have taken a class Java puzzle 21, and here you can see in the class a constructor. So what is a constructor? It's a method whose name is same as class name, and it's mainly used to initialize the object and should not have any written type. So not even void also. So this Java puzzle 21, it's a constructor which is taking string message as argument. And what are the message we get as argument that we are displaying on the console. Now, here we are having main method. In main method, we are creating object of this Java puzzle 21, jp1 equal to new Java puzzle 21, and we are passing an argument value hello. This hello will come and store into message which we are printing on the console. And we are creating one more object Java puzzle 21, jp2 equal to new Java puzzle 21. And in main method, we are displaying a message main. Now, let us see the options for this program. The options are like A option hello, B option hello main, C option simple main, and D option compile time error. Now let us understand what will be the correct answer for this program. Here we are having a concept like whenever we go with a constructor, we are having one very important point, that is if a class does not contain a constructor. When you take a class and if the class is not having any constructor, Java is going to create a default constructor. The meaning of default constructor is no argument constructor. New argument constructor is called as default constructor. But if you observe in this program, we are having a constructor in your class. We are having a constructor in your class. So this is your constructor. And this we call it as parameterized constructor. If you are having arguments to the constructor, we call it as parameterized constructor. Now, since the class is already having a parameterized constructor, default constructor will not be created by the class here. Default constructor will not be created inside the class because already there is a parameterized constructor inside the class. Now see, when you go to main method, when you run, it will say Java puzzle 21 jp1 equal to new Java puzzle 21. Hello will go and store into message and it's going to print the message. We think in that way, but it won't go with hello, and it won't even go with hello main also. The main output of this program is this one. So when you are creating one more new object for your class, see here Java puzzle 21 jp2 equal to new Java puzzle 21, but you are not passing any arguments to this constructor. Now if you see this class, in this class we are having a parameterized constructor, but there is no default constructor created inside the class, because if a class contains already parameterized constructor, default constructor will not be created, but you are creating object referring to default constructor. Since this constructor is not present inside the class, then this will go with what? Compile time error. So the correct output for this program is compile time error here. In this line, you are going to get compile time error under this constructor, because since already there is a constructor with parameterized, Java will not create this default constructor inside the class. Because of that, we get compile time error, and the correct output for this program is D option. And here we are having one suggestion like how to make this program compiled is whenever a class contains a parameterized constructor, it is the responsibility of the programmer. It is the responsibility of the programmer to create a default constructor inside the class. So the programmer has to create a default constructor inside the class, that is Java puzzle 21 with no arguments. With no arguments. This only we call default constructor. Now once you create this default constructor inside the class, now it won't go with any error. Now it won't go with an error. Then the output will be hello and main. Hello and main. This will be the output thing. If you create default constructor inside the class. But for this program, the correct option for this program is compile time error, as there is no default constructor inside the class. So that's about in this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.